Hello, in this video I am explaining mega sleeves for the 28 size blouse. The measurements are like this: hand length is 2.5 inches, hand loose is 11.5 inches. First of all, I am taking a white sheet. It is an on-fold white sheet. Here hand length is 2.5 inches. I am marking 2.5 inches like this. It is a mega sleeves, right? That's why I am marking like this, and half inch extra above and half inch extra below I am taking. And here I am making a line here. And next I am taking 2 inches from this point like this, and I am marking here 2 inches, and this point I am marking down 2 inches. So this is a 2 inches. And next I am making line here. In this line we have to calculate armhole round. How we calculate armhole round? Here blouse size is 28 inches, so add 2 inches divided by 5 inches, it comes to 6 inches. So I am marking 6 inches in this line, and 2.5 inches is the seam allowance. So this is the 6 inches, and I am making a line here. Here we have to mark hand loose. Here hand loose is 11.5 inches. So half of the 11.5 inches, it comes 5/3 by 4 inches. I am marking here 5/3 by 4 inches, and 2.5 inches is the seam allowance. So next use the scale and make a line here and here also. This is the 2.5 inches the seam allowance, and here is the 5/3 by 4 inches. Make a slant line here, and here we have to calculate how much length it is. Use the tape, and it comes to 6.5 inches, and we have to mark the first middle of the 6.5 inches. It comes 3/1/4 inch, and again we have to take middle of the 3/1/4 inch and mark like this. And here we have to mark half inch down, and this point we have to mark 3/4 inch in upward direction. So join 3 points using this curve type scale. So make a curve like this. Next we have to make a curve down like this, and here we have to give a slant line. So this is the 2.5 inch hand length of the 28 size. Next we have to calculate this armhole round. It comes 6.5 inches, and body part armhole round is also come 6.5 inches. And next we have to cut it like this. Next we have to cut this curve also. It comes front. So finally mega sleeves of the 28 size blouse come like this. This is the front and this is the back. Is there any doubt? Please comment me on comment section. Thanks for watching, and please do share and like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.